Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Gikktdr wireless CarPlay screen for car and Android Auto. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 9-inch wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. Transform any car, even older models, into a smart vehicle. This portable CarPlay screen automatically connects to your smartphone, displaying maps, music, and apps seamlessly via wireless CarPlay or Android Auto screen for car. Works with all smartphones for safer driving. Bluetooth stereo and voice control. Stream audio through your car's factory speakers via Bluetooth or AUX. Use Siri/Google Assistant for hands-free calls, navigation, and music control. No need to touch the car screen. CarPlay while driving. Real-time GPS navigation. The 9-inch portable CarPlay screen for car provides lag-free GPS using your phone's data, Google Maps, Waze. No built-in map updates needed. Always get live traffic alerts and lane guidance. 4K front plus 1080p rear cameras. The car screen CarPlay includes Ultra HD front recording and night vision backup camera, waterproof, ensuring safety and providing peace of mind. Our CarPlay screen can record your driving process comprehensively, delivers detailed dual-screen loop recording and emergency locking, ensure critical footage is saved. Tips: included a 64 GB TF card. 4 audio output. This portable CarPlay screen with backup camera equipped with Bluetooth 5.0/ built-in stereo speakers, AUX and FM transmitters for 4 audio output options. Meet your different needs in different situations. So you can enjoy clear and stable music in noisy environments, and the CarPlay screen sound will bring you a wonderful experience. Mirror link and 9-inch HD touchscreen. The wireless CarPlay screen supports wireless mirroring for both Android and iOS devices. Use Mirror Link to display your smartphone screen on the 9-inch 1600x600p wireless CarPlay touchscreen, giving you access to apps, media, and more while driving. Universal fit and easy installation. No car stereo removal. This CarPlay screen for car works with 12/24-volt vehicles, cars, trucks, SUVs. Powered via cigarette lighter. No dashboard modification, keeps your factory radio while adding smart features. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe. Recommend new products releases. Update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.